Well, thank you for having us today. My name's Louise Keller. I'm the National Training Manager with UEI Test Instruments. And joining me today is...
I'm Mark Jones with R.A. Kaplan. We're the local representative for UEI here in Indiana.
And Mark, you wanted to talk to us a little bit today about one of the new meters that we came out with at UEI.
Yeah.
That was designed by us and made by us. So tell us a few of the features that are on this new DL579.
Well, you know, one of the nice things about designing and building our own meters is we can pretty quickly make changes. We listen to the contractor, get input, from those contractors and kind of some of the things they'd like to see in our next generation. So the 500 series is our newest model. This in particular is the 579. So one of the things that we want to highlight is the fact that this is a true RMS meter. As more and more equipment is becoming variable speed ECM technology, that true RMS is a more important feature to make sure you have on your meter so you're getting accurate readings. The other thing that we have added to these is a low Z function. So if you've got multiple wires in a bundle, maybe you're getting ghost voltage, when you do a test,
right.
That low Z function will eliminate that because it actually puts a load on that when you're testing that voltage, so you're going to get an accurate reading. The other thing we've put on this also is inrush current. So not every meter is capable of being quick enough to capture that inrush when that equipment originally starts. We've also got dial selection, which is easier to use if you've got gloves on, right? Rather than trying to push those buttons. So that's one of our nice features we've added. And we've got captive screws on the back. So if when you change your batteries, you don't drop them. Now you're trying to look for them in that dark mechanical room or whatever when your batteries have died, right? We've also got lead storage in the back. So you got your leads captured there. We've got the ability to put a lead on our clamp head. So if we want to hold our meter in one hand so we can hold up against the ground and check if we've got voltage, that makes it easier for you to use as well.
And Mark, I see that you have a capacitor in front of you. Is there a reason that we're going to talk about that today?
Yeah, it is. Because there's actually one thing we've also done on this is we have improved the response time on checking capacitors.
Oh, excellent.
So if we can see that on the display here, we'll put this on. We've got it set to microfarads, and we can see how quickly that our meter is going to respond to read our capacitors. So.
Awesome. Well, Mark, that sounds like a great meter. I can't wait to see what else they have in the line.
Yeah, well, we do have other models in that 500 series. So if there's some features that you're looking for in a meter that you didn't see in this one, you can see we'll have a slide here that's got some of the other models and what the additional features those add.
Well, thank you for having us today. If you have any questions about any of our new DL500 series meters, you can visit the Jackson Systems website at jacksonsystems.com, or you can contact me at louiseK@ueitest.com.